welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Halloween makeup tutorial. I'm so excited because I have never done one. So I'm going to be doing a skull with some diamonds on them. So yeah, let's get right into it. So to start off, I'm going to be applying some moisturizer on my skin. Before I apply all the makeup on, I'm applying the Lash Glue moisturizer. It's called the Moisture Trip actually. And I'm just going to be applying that all over my face. Okay, so next I'm grabbing a liquid eyeliner to outline the shape of the skull under my eye sockets. Pretty much I'm just going to be outlining everything right now so that I can go in later with some cream paint and fill it in. Now I'm going to be outlining the nose of the skull, and then I'll be going back in and shading it in. For the mouth area, I'm going to be outlining all of the skull teeth. Grabbing some black cream paint, that way I can darken it up between my lips. Next I'm going to be outlining the cheekbones. Basically I'm going down under the where my ear is at, kind of like where I would contour. That's where I would want to start off. Okay, so now I'm going to be outlining the teeth, and basically what was in my mind was just to kind of draw some triangles or like a house type of, shape. So you're going to be doing that all across the mouth and on the bottom part of the mouth as well. Okay, so now that I'm done outlining the teeth, I will be going in with some white clown cream makeup and filling the teeth in. I'm gonna be kind of bringing it up towards my nose so that it can give the teeth a better shape. By the way, guys, I am obsessed with this cream makeup. It was really thick and pigmented, like compared to other cream makeups out there, like if you go to Walmart or even at the Halloween store, like Spirit Halloween. Sometimes they're just not that thick and pigmented, and it just smears like a lot faster. That's what I like about this one, that since it was so thick, it wasn't smearing on me with the eyeliner. I'm doing some shading. I basically grabbed some black eyeshadow, and I'm going in between the teeth to, blend everything in, and also bringing it down so that it can kind of, give it that fade. And I'm doing the top part. You want to be doing the same thing as well. So next I'm now just doing some more shading, and I'm doing it now with the white makeup. be blacking out the nose, and I'm going to be using the black cream makeup that I showed you guys earlier. Okay, so next I'm re-outlining the split of the half skull to darken it up. I'm also going to be outlining the cheekbones again and creating the outline of the jawline. And for me, it was just a lot easier starting off with an eyeliner. Since, you know, it dries out. If I would have gone in with black cream makeup and white cream makeup, I know it would have, you know, not turned out the way I wanted it to, and it just would have been smeared all over. And just a little bit of more shading. We're almost going to be done with the shading, guys. Like, yeah, I'm gonna be getting in all of the white out first, and then I'll be going in with the black. So I went ahead and grabbed some more of the cream makeup in black and just kind of darkening it up and bringing it down some more. And now I'm just shading in the middle of the cheekbones. So moving on, I'm now going to be shading in my chin and my jawline, and I'm gonna be bringing it down towards my neck. And now I'm just creating some cracks. You want to just be doing some little thin squiggly lines to give it that like crack effect. And yeah, I had totally messed up on this one, so you will be seeing me remove it and then just doing it again. So since I am reapplying some white paint, I totally forgot to tell you guys I had set in the white cream paint. Oh my god, white cream makeup with some white setting powder. So since I removed it so that I can reapply the crack, you do want to set that in so that, you know, it won't smear all over. And some more little squiggly lines. I will be grabbing my blending brush with some black eyeshadow so that I can go ahead and blend the eyeshadow just to give it that fade. And then also I'm going to be grabbing some black cream paint and outlining some more. Just think of it as a skull cheekbone contour. There you go. To prime my eyes, I'm going to be grabbing the Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just going to be applying that on my eyelid, blending it all in. I'm now grabbing the Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette, and I'm going to be applying on the top of my lid the shade Deviant. And then I'm going to be dipping in Blood Queen and applying it in the center of my eyelid. I'm now grabbing the shade Wet Jewel, and I'm going to be applying it with some setting powder just to set it in on my eyelid. I'm going back in with Blood Queen just to go ahead and blend it out with the shade Wet Jewel that I applied. And then I'm grabbing the shade Deviant again, and I'm going to be applying it all over again so that it can blend in with Blood Queen. And now I'm just grabbing some black eyeshadow and I'm applying it on the bottom eyelid. I'm now grabbing the Norvina palette, and I'm going to be dipping in the shade D3, which is a nice hot pink. And I'm going to be blending that in with the black eyeshadow. I'm going to be bringing it out towards the outer V just to give it a little dramatic look. now I'm just grabbing my Kat Von D liquid eyeliner and just doing a wing eyeliner. I'm actually going in with the Rare Beauty eyeliner. I completely just wasted all the products from the Kat Von D one. I had actually bought a drugstore one that was, you know, way cheaper, but I lost it unfortunately, so I had to go in with that. So now for some bedazzles, I'm going to be grabbing some little diamonds, and basically I'm going to be applying it in the inner corner of my eye and then also on my teeth. And the wig officially came off. It was just sliding off too much and it was feeling pretty heavy, so I was like, you know what, I'm going to take it off and I'll just put it back on at the end. And what I'm using for the diamonds to stick on the teeth is actually some Lash Glue. I found it pretty easy to just apply that so that it could also be easy to remove it. Now applying some Miami's by Lily Lashes. Okay guys, so I'm just doing some final touches and I'm gonna go ahead and pop on that wig again. I've applied all the diamonds and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so the wig is back on and this is the final look. I am so satisfied with the way this skull came out. This was actually my very first skull ever I have ever done, like even off camera. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. I love you guys so much and I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below. Let me know what you think of this skull. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.